Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Apptivo CRM custom fields and picklists easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify custom fields in Apptivo CRM, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the settings menu on the left sidebar. In the settings menu, locate and click on custom fields. You will see a list of all existing custom fields. Select the specific app where you want to verify the custom fields. Click on the relevant section for that app. Review each custom field shown, ensuring they are correctly labeled and functional. To check picklists, return to the Custom Fields section. Click on Picklists within the Custom Fields menu. Here, you will see all available picklists associated with your selected app. Select a picklist to view its options. Ensure that all options are appropriately named and categorized. If any modifications are necessary, click on the edit icon next to the picklist. Make the required changes and save them. Return to the main custom fields screen once the edits are complete. Perform a final review of both custom fields and picklists. This confirms that everything is verified and functioning correctly. You are now ready to use your custom fields and picklists effectively in Apptivo CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.